Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Delibia again. So today I brought you a tutorial on how I deep condition my hair. Don't mind the way I look right now. I'm just coming from the shower. I just shampooed and conditioned my hair and towel dried it. There is no product on my hair right now, so I'll go ahead and use the deep conditioner that I got. My hair has been going through some damages ever since I got pregnant. My sides of my hair, particularly this area, is becoming shorter, and I think I should deal with more deep conditioning and taking it serious for the rest of the remaining period that I'll be pregnant, and even when I give birth to my baby, because I hear a lot of women shed their hair when they after having their baby. So what I want to like regularly do on my hair is to deep condition it every time that I wash my hair. So I started by investing on this deep conditioner that I want to try. I'll let you guys know how my hair feels afterwards. So this is the deep conditioner, guys. Here, it's big. I got it from a local beauty supply store in my area here. It's called the Silky Cool Hot Oil Cream with Avocado. There were other types there, like the garlic one and other ones that I saw, but I thought I should go for avocado. And it is here it is said hot oil cream with avocado. I'll just read what is written here first. And that hot oil cream is formulated to get an amazing soft and glossy hair. It replaces vital moisture in your hair shafts, leaving it stronger and healthier with natural shine while it seals and protects. This unique cream is created to regain the natural hair with more manageability from roots to tips. Then use. Preferred and recommended to be used after every hair shampoo and during steam bath for 15 minutes. Then rinse with warm water for best results. And then you go with the ingredients that are there. Yeah. So now that I already shampooed my hair and deep conditioned it, it is dried right now. I'll just go ahead and apply this deep conditioner. It is my first time that I'm doing this, so it's like a review and also show you guys how I do it. This is how it looks inside, very creamy. This is how it looks right now, not that watery. So I'll just go ahead and apply it in sections. Will help to reduce the rate at which my hair is breaking right now, especially at the sides. So I'll just apply in sections. Doesn't have any particular smell, so it's nice, because right now I can't deal with any strong smell. So I'm just applying from root to the tips as stated in the so before now I haven't really been the type that always I don't have a regular routine for deep conditioning. I just do it when I feel I have the time and energy to do that. But I'm thinking that is the main reason why my hair is going through this, the stress of breaking, because it can't withstand the hormonal changes that my body is going through while I'm pregnant now. So I think deep conditioning will help remedy my situation right now. So now I'll regularly deep condition my hair each time I wash my hair. That's why I went ahead and bought a ready-made deep conditioner that I can just use without creating my own DIY conditioner, because I guess I'll be very lazy and give excuses not to deep condition the hair. So I have applied in all the sections right now, so I'll just do a finishing touch on all the sections. See, let me come closer so you can really see how nice and soft it feels on my hair. This is really the problem area where my hair is shorter than the rest of my hair, so I really want to concentrate there. See, I really want to be generous. I'll go ahead and put it in a, I'll use a plastic bag, this one, to cover my hair for 15 minutes before I rinse it out. Yeah, as simple as that. I think this method is going to really help me, because right now I'm so lazy to create my own deep conditioners like I usually do. If you haven't checked the other methods that I've uploaded on my channel on how I deep condition my hair, please do check. I think I have about 2 different deep conditioning DIY videos that I've done, the ginger and the onion one. Now is the avocado one that I got. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and keep subscribing if you're a newcomer here. Welcome to my channel. My name is Delphine. I do natural hair videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Subscribe. So here is the finish. Sorry, there's hair on my mouth. So after rinsing out the avocado hot oil cream treatment deep conditioner, this is how my hair looks now. It's already past 8 p.m. so I just secured my hair for bed. Tomorrow I'm going to style it. So this is how it looks right now. My hair feels really soft for my strong faucet hair type. It was really nice.